Homestead Handyman here. So I have another project to do in the van. See, this is the cup holder right there in the center console. And that's just not going to hold any cups if you go around the corner or anything. And it will spill all over and I'll be in trouble. So I'm going to take this off, bring it in the shop, and see what I can come up with. Alright, so I got this out of the van, and I was able to just take this piece out. So you can see there's what you have for the existing cup holders, and this is just not going to work, right? See that? So this is what I'm going to try for step number one here, or the prototype to try and see. I have a piece of cedar. It's a piece of log, and so what I'm going to do is try to get that in there to custom fit, and then I'll get the holes in here and see if this is going to work for a cup holder, just because it might look pretty cool when it's all done. Alright, so what I did was I got a piece of plywood and I cut it to fit right in here, so I'll have something to attach it to, and I needed to raise the level up. So I took this piece of cedar log and I squared it up, and I'm going to try to leave a little bit of the rounded edges on here for the coolness factor. So you can see that's going to fit right up on here. Now what I'm going to do is I have to cut a circle here for the cups to fit in, and so I don't have any drill bits or anything big enough to do that with, and I'm doing it on a round surface there. Round being this way here. So this is what I'm going to try. I've marked down the middle here, the center, found the center and marked that, and the center for each hole here. So I'm going to take my compass here, set it for the diameter that I want, and then I'll get the two holes here. Then what I'm going to do is cut this down the center with the bandsaw, and then take the bandsaw and try and cut these holes out, and I'll be working on half pieces each and see how that works. Alright, so I got the two halves together now, and you can see we've got the holes all cut out. They're nice and rounded out and sanded. So now what I'm going to do is take this and glue this back together, and then we'll have a lovely thing. Now see here, my coffee cup fits in there just nice. His and hers, yes. Alrighty. Alright, let me get this thing glued up. Well, here's the finished product. Fits right in here. Nice, huh? Alright. Every van doesn't have one of these. And then the cups fit right in there. And there you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this build. And, you know, get a piece of firewood and make one yourself. A little custom instead of just buying something at the store. So I hope you like this video. This is the Homestead Handyman. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Homestead Handyman out.